All right, so I just picked this one up. Had a little flyer, but the deck's good. It's in really good shape. The handles are in really good shape. All this stuff. It's missing a couple things, but I got this 36, and I want to take the deck off of that and put it on this, because this is a brand new motor. I'll probably swap this out. We'll make it work. So I got those two off. This one looks a little longer, but it's probably going to make it a lot easier to turn with the 48. I just got to take the key out of this one and put it on there. But I mean, the shape of these handles and this, the only thing this has that this doesn't is the grip. So this one's in a lot better condition. So I'd rather use that one on the new machine that I'm going to be building. This deck is in really good shape. And the belts don't look so good. That's pretty torn up. Should probably replace that one. It doesn't snap. Almost looks like it got a little hot too, huh? You can see the tears in there. Yeah, I don't know how it caught on fire. I don't really care. Just taking the parts. Belts should all be the same size, these ones. So let's get it done. So you can go from a 36-inch deck to a 48. I just proved it. So I just got to swap out some belts. This one's going to get replaced. So I'm not tightening that one all the way, because I'm going to have to take it off again just to swap that belt off. Then I just got a couple odds and ends that I want to do to it just to make it perfect. Alright, let's keep going. So I got another throttle holder just to make it a little easier for the throttle. I like to super glue the shit out of these. So I'm just gonna put a ton in there. So that it's never gonna come out. That needs to be replaced. You can see it's rotted all the way through. I mean, it probably has some life left on it, but I don't even want to take the chance. I'm just gonna throw a new one on. Alright, so she's all done. Quick swap. Gives me a little bit more of a bigger mower. Handlebars. So the handlebars, the deck, one of the wheels, and some of these bolts in here. Alright. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.